Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. Natalia here with you, and today we have unboxing. It should be Thursday. Now here is the deal. Because I have a week for diamond paintings on Thursday, but I believe the release of this new design could be tomorrow on Friday, because in my email I supposed to upload this video from 28 and on, so this will be a day early, could be. So if you click on the link below under this video, also I have up there discount code, and if you don't see this design in the website, please check tomorrow, because I believe maybe release will be on 28, so could be day earlier. But look at this cute little box. Usually it's a big long box. This time it's cutie but tootie, and oh my god, it's so cute. You will love it. I think many of you going to love it. It was hard decision because they all release was so pretty. Cuteness overload. I had hard time to decide what I want to review for you. So finally I decided there is two things that I like about this design, and let me show you. Let me show you my favorite hydrangeas, and of course I love cats. Well, I do have a cat, but he is a black, but that doesn't make any difference. When I grew up, I have a cat that has like 4 different colors in him, and that doesn't matter. You know, some cat likes to talk, and my cat Shadow, he loves to talk. You see him in my videos many times. So let's check it out, what we have in here in a package. First of all, I love their packaging. It's always packed so nice, professional. Let me pull out first what we have. Oh my goodness, we do have a card. We have a card that I love. Now the box itself is just so amazingly gorgeous. Look at this, diamonds, the shimmer on paper itself. I don't know if camera right now will pick it up or not, but it is pretty. We have in a box directions, so how it's done. Tiny sparks become masterpiece. That's the message on the inside of the box. And here it is, you can read. Every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary. And we have now, you can join Feelook Art at Facebook. They have a Pinterest, they have an Instagram, YouTube, and also of course a website. Everything in here on the box. And this design says Dreamy Cat with Hydrangeas. Fabric size 50 by 40 centimeters, and size of the design size is a little bit different. Diamonds around. So here is dimensions of the canvas size and the actual size. Measurements very particular to the last millimeter. Okay, I'm so excited about this because I see with my little eye, oh, the cards. They don't have a cards with every design, but if they do, I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. Has a Feelook Art, Dream Cat with hydrangeas, and just like a silver shimmer. Oh my goodness, I love this kind of stuff so much. Look at that, so dreamy. Look at this face on this little kitty cat, and the card with all these rainbows make it even more prettier. He's absolutely cuteness overload. Oh, he's smiling. He's smelling those hydrangeas and he love it. Then we have some stickers. This is the regular stickers, even more if you have to write down your DMC. But I believe they are already pre-packed with the DMC on it, so I don't think we will need this one, but it's nice to have, unless it's not. I think they already, I forgot. And your personal card in here, I can put my signature in here and write down and I end in here where you start, when you start, when you finish, so it's kind of like for yourself to remember. And of course they have amazing tools kit that is amazing if you like to give it to somebody as a gift, maybe birthday, maybe Christmas. Let's see what we have in here, if it's anything different. We have a good pair of tweezers. They are bendy and they are super sharp. You have to be very careful because they are very sharp, but you can pick with them anything. I love them. We have this pen, same pen as the other times, and ombre colors, blue and pink. This one already, I believe, have a pink wax. And or do we have it? Yeah, we do have, I think, pink. You just have to turn this and the wax will come out. Also, you can have this white refillers. You just unscrew, put inside of the pen. They are very sticky. We have two trays. They are smaller size of the tray. Lots of baggies, and I think there's one more. Yes, it is. So I can't remember if we have a packed already in the Ziploc bags or not. We'll find out in a minute. But here it is, another magical thing that I really like. It's the holographic symbols. I think it would be fit exactly here. I wish they wouldn't fold them on half, because then it's kind of wants to come out. It would be okay to keep them just straight in a baggie. But look how pretty this card. I love it. And that's it. Now we have everything in here. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so not to make a mess with this, I will put this like this way up, so whatever I will put inside of this bag will go on the top of the just the paper and not on the symbols of the, not the printed and cut it out pieces. We're going to put all that good stuff back in here. Lots of Ziploc bags. I believe it's already in the Ziploc bags for some reason. That's what I want to remember. We'll see in a minute. Okay, let's get to this cuteness. They have velvet canvases, which is fabric, not the cheap plastic. That's why the price could be a little bit more on a pricey side, but at the same time it's amazing quality canvases. Kind of stiff canvas feels in here, whereas the glue, because the glue is really nice. So, oh, here it is, like this. Here it is. This is the smallest so far. Oh yeah, we do need a bag because this one came in our original packaging. I forgot about that. The fabric, oh, just look at this, like nice scallop cut, but look at how glittery the canvas looks, so pretty. And the glue is really good. If I can peel a little bit, look at this glue quality, like a glass, really nice. And if you can see, there has a border around about size of one diamond all the way around, so you don't have a sticky glue coming out all over spilled. This one actually very neatly done, and the symbol print is beautiful. All right, so what do we have in here? 35 colors. We'll have to stretch a little bit because it's right off the box, so it's curling up. And look at this cutie. Oh, it's so tiny. It will be so fast to do. And you know how much I love hydrangea. Right now I even have hydrangea leaves because I'm trying to propagate in a different way just from the leaf, so I'm experiment something. So this is just in time. I love these flowers because they bloom all the way to frost, and such a beautiful colors. And this kitty cat totally enjoying with the smell of the flowers. Look at that. Look at that. Look how nice print in here. On the sides, a very big print of the symbols. Good clarity. And canvas looking good everywhere. Look at the clarity of this. Amazing. So let's see if we have any special in here. In here it says eco responsible. Can read upside down. Eco-responsible canvas, made to last, made with care. No bleed, no waste, no compromise. Facebook and Instagram. Visit Feelook Art to discover new arrivals. Join our event and leave your review. And of course in here the size and Dreamy Cat with hydrangea design size, but doesn't say if this is particular who is designer. I will check later on the website if have a designer's name of this image. Are you ready to see diamonds? Do we have some special? Actually, I can see in here. No, I don't think there's any specialty diamonds in here. I think they all regular diamonds. Resin diamonds. I should say not regular diamonds, but like resin diamonds, high quality and shine. Because sometimes you can get the plastic diamonds. They are not as shiny as resin. And let's check it out. Lots of browns for the kitty cat. This one a little different. 62, 63. So, oh yeah, they are all different shading of browns in here. Oh, this way you can see kinda. Pure white. Look at that. How gorgeous. That's a 5200. Then let's see. Okay, upside down. Look at this bright. Oh, that's so juicy. It's been a long time when I show you diamonds this way, because lately, oh look at this beautiful. This is 310. Looks so black. Reflection a little bit from my chandelier on the top. But you can tell the diamonds looks very nice. Usually designers now pack in their product in a Ziploc bags. But if you missed all the squeaks, I can give you extra, no problem. And if you don't like those extra squeaks, my apology for squeaking, because if you are a crafter, you cannot avoid squeaks, because everything we buy, unbox, unpack, it's a squeaky. It's a one thing to be a crafter. You cannot avoid squeaks. Diamonds looks good. Okay, so this time all regular, like a size, no ABs, no other kind of diamonds, but colors is really pretty. All right, my friends, what do you think? Make sure to check under my video description box for the link and discount code of 10%. I believe it's 10%. And then also check it out other YouTubers who review for Feelook art, because there was, I believe, 6 designs to choose of new release. They are all so cute. And definitely check it out, the website. If it's not today, let me remind you one more time, it's possible release tomorrow, or maybe it's already on a website. So check it out. If it's not there, I'm sorry, just check tomorrow with the website, because I could be possible one day earlier, because I have some other plans for 28. So here you go, very cute kitty for all the kitty lovers. Here you have it. Oh, Jenny, because you take care of all those homeless kitties, you should frame it, put this next to their food to make them decorative entrance to your free food dinner for kitty cats. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching today my video. Thank you, Feelook Art, for delivering this package in such a good, and it was also packed in a different cardboard box. So the packing of them was really good. So if you're looking for like a present type for somebody to gift, you will receive a very good quality, professional packed, and all those tools and accessories. And of course, to me, the best part of all, it's those little holographic cards. I absolutely love them. I love it. Okay, my friends, this kitty cat going to smile at you. Have a wonderful day and keep yourself sparkle.